Here we go. In the back bushes right now. You know, I ain't feel like recording down the trail, but this is how this is in Georgia, man. Boring and stupid. Do y'all know that no one in Georgia can dance? All they do is crank that around here. Well, I'm about to go to a live scene in the bushes. God be with you, man. God be with you. Oh, what the? Oh, goddamn. Oh, what is that? Oh, just a leaf. Got this stick, you know. Bust something across the head with it, you know. And you know, take my little train. You know what I mean, man? Oh, y'all see that running? Y'all see that running over there? Y'all see? Oh, snap! Y'all done seen that? Oh my God! Y'all done see? Oh, snap! Something running across the bushes. I think it's something following me, man. I think something coming out the bushes. They hear that? Something in the bushes. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. I'm about to get a closer view down the track. Stay with me now. Stay with me. The track right here, man. And my homeboys right there. Peace.